Hey guys, how's it going? Well, got the block cleaned up this afternoon. Looks pretty good. Oh, who's that barking? Hello? Oh, Sadie, what are you doing? Oh, yeah, that's... Hello? Come here. Come here. Oh, good girl, yeah. What are you doing? Huh? Come on. No. Nope, there goes up. Well, yeah. There goes the wrecking ball. Alright. Anyways.
Sadie the wrecking ball.
The wrecking ball, Sadie. Anyway. Just thought I'd show you the block. Looks pretty good. Yeah, cleaned up really nice. A little paint. Just gave it a bath this afternoon. Paint might still be a little sticky. Yeah. We're getting there.